Hello, I'm Kris of Krissys Over the Mountain Crochet and Crafts, and I'm glad you're here today. I hope you'll like and subscribe. Sometimes you need to sew on a button that has a flat back, but you need a shank on that button because there needs to be room behind the button. Let me show you how to do that. So you start with a flat back button. You make a knot and make sure that knot is secure, with especially with a yarn product. Sometimes those knots will just slip right through, not so much with fabric. So I have gotten this started. I have the knot in place and I've already come through the button on one side. Now I'm going down under. Now the next step is very important. You need to pick up your button and lift it up above the fabric about 1/4 of an inch. Now you're not going to let this flat back be sewn so that it is against the fabric. As you can see, I'm holding up the fabric, trying to find the hole. There we go. That wasn't the hole I was preferring, but it will work. Go down the other side, holding up the button, keeping room behind the button and the fabric. Let's do that again. Back down through. Now I'm not going to go through the buttonhole, but I'm going to come up from the bottom. You can see the needle there. I'm going to go ahead and pull all the way through. And now I'm going to start wrapping the thread around all of the posts of that thread. Just wrap and wrap and wrap, and you'll be making a shank this way. See there? You have a little wrapped shank. Now go back down through that shank again to the back. Now the button is lifted up just a bit from the fabric and make a knot. Tie it off and finish. My mother always taught me to wrap it 2 or 3 times. That looks a little messy, but I did that for this video. So let's move on. So let's see how this works. That button floats just above the fabric a little bit. And there we go. A nice little flat back button with a shank. And there I have done the same technique on the pink hearted towel ring. And you can embellish if you would like with ribbon. I will show you in another video tutorial how quick it is and how easy it is to make a pull tie bow out of ribbon. And I suggest gluing on that ribbon unless the fabric is really soft, like this gingham check ribbon. It is so soft, you can easily sew that on. But I suggest gluing underneath the bow loops and the ties to make sure that it doesn't come untied. All right, there you have it. It was good to have you on my side of the mountain. I hope you'll come back for more tips and tutorials. Bye.